Class 9th History, NCERT, Chapter number 1, The French Revolution. First point, the outbreak of the French Revolution. Second, changes after Revolution. Third, classes of French societies. Fourth, facts about Napoleon, the former emperor of France, the French society during the late 18th century. The French society comprised: first state, clergy; second state, nobility; third state, big businessmen, merchants, court officials, peasants, artisans, landless, laborers, servants, etc. Some within the third state were rich and some were poor. Heading: the outbreak of the revolution. The French Revolution went through various stages. When Louis XVI became the King of France in 1774, he inherited a treasury which was empty. There was growing discontent within the society of old regime. Here some datelines and timelines are here. If this chapter is important, then I need to record it, otherwise there is no need. Women Revolution. I left timeline. Women Revolution. First, from the very beginning, women were active participants in the event which brought about so many changes in French societies. Second point, most of the women of the third state had to work for a living. Third, their wages were lower than those of men. Fourth, they demanded equal pay for equal work. Fifth, in order to discuss and voice their interests, women started their own political clubs and newspapers. Next point, one of their main demands was that women must enjoy the same political rights as men. Next point, some laws were introduced to improve the position of women. Next, their struggle still continues in several parts of the world. Next, it was finally in 1946 that women in France won the right to vote. Heading: the abolition of slavery. First point, there was a triangular slave trade among Europe, Africa, and America. Second point, in the 18th century there was little criticism of slavery in France. Third point, no laws were passed against it. Fourth point, it was in 1794 that the convention made free to all slaves. Fifth point, but 10 years later slavery was reintroduced by Napoleon. Next point, it was finally in 1848 that slavery was abolished in the French colonies. Heading: Napoleon. First point, in 1804 Napoleon crowned himself Emperor of France. Second point, he set out to conquer neighboring European countries, disposing dynasties and creating kingdoms where he placed members of his family. Third point, he saw his role as modernizer of Europe. Fourth point, he was finally defeated at Waterloo in 1815. Here chapter 1 is completed. Thank you.